If people keep overlooking you, it might not be them. It might be something you're doing without realizing it. And most people who feel invisible are making the same silent mistake. Let's break it down. You don't become invisible suddenly. You train people to overlook you. Slowly, without noticing it yourself. We stay quiet because it feels safe. No judgment, no rejection. But the more you avoid being seen, the more unseen you become. People aren't ignoring you. They're reacting to the version of you that never speaks first. So they assume silence means distance. Head down, minimal eye contact, short replies. And without realizing it, you're saying one thing. Don't approach me. I used to be silent in group settings. Then I tried something small. I said hey to one person a day. It felt meaningless, but it changed how I showed up. So I tested simple things. Sit somewhere new. Speak once even when unnecessary. And I realized you don't need to be louder, you just need to be present. Your brain will always stop you, so don't wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and speak. Hesitation is where invisibility survives. Someone would have responded to you today, but they never got the chance. Not because you didn't matter, but because you didn't move. So tomorrow, do one small thing differently. A greeting, a comment, a moment of presence. Because invisibility doesn't end with confidence. It ends with action. If this hits you, stick around. But remember, the real question isn't why you feel invisible. It's what changes when you stop acting like you are.